Government agencies concerned met today to ensure that the necessary assistance is given to Filipino refugees from the Malaysian territory of Sabah. These Filipinos have been affected by the Sabah crisis involving armed Sulu Sultan Jamalul Kiram III and Malaysian security forces. Alvin Baltazar reports.
The coordinating meeting was held in Camp Crame where concerned government agencies assured of enough supply of assistance that will be given to Filipinos wanting to go back to the Philippines from Sabah, Malaysia. Top agenda by the DILG, DSWD, Marina, NFA, DTI and PNP was to ensure the food supply for the affected Filipinos of the Sabah crisis that are now scattered in Sulu, Basilan, and Tawi-Tawi, reaching to some 1,500 persons already.
Sa utos ni Pangulong Pinoy na siguraduhin na may sapat na pagkain at sapat na suporta para sa ating mga kababayan doon po sa Basilan, sa Sulu at higit sa lahat sa Tawi-Tawi.
Dahil sa magandang balita na patuloy na nagpapadala ang NFA ng bigas ay aasahan po natin na mag-i-stabilize po ang presyo doon.
Nung Saturday po, nagpadala po tayo ng 2,200 bags of rice. Then every other day po, diretso po yung pagpapadala natin ng 25 bags of rice sa iba't ibang area.
Aside from food, the government is also anticipating of more evacuees in the next coming days who may arrive from Sabah. In line with this, Marina stated that they ordered commercial vessels to momentarily leave their usual route and tap them not only in transporting goods to the affected individuals so as to bring them back to the country from Malaysia.
Ito rin pong mga sasakyang ito ay gagamitin po natin upang sa ganun yung ating mga apektadong mga kababayan na gustong bumalik na dito sa ating sa Mindanao ay magkaroon ng karampatan at sapat na sasakyang pandagat.
The government likewise is working on the papers of undocumented Filipinos who are decided to live permanently in Sabah through the efforts of the DFA.
Amin din hong binabaybay kung sila ay mananatili dito o gusto nilang bumalik ng Sabah. Kasama po natin ang Bureau of Immigration, DOLE and DFA para dun sa mga gustong bumalik ay magkapapeles na po sila.
Ito pong bumabalik nating mga kababayan ay hindi na po kailangan sa Malaysia. Sila po ay magiging parte ng ating programa na bibigyan po natin ng panghabang panahon na livelihood.
On the other hand, the government also guarantees that appropriate complaint will be filed before the Malaysian government in the wake of harassment reports being committed allegedly to undocumented aliens in Malaysia. But then, solid pieces of evidence must be produced prior to the filing of such complaint. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.